Kenmore Washer Repair Authorized Service in Houston is a premier appliance repair service company. Employing only factory-trained Kenmore washer repair technicians, we service Kenmore washers and repair Kenmore washers, as well as Kenmore commercial and residential washers, Kenmore dryers, Kenmore dishwashers, Kenmore refrigerators, and much more. We have technicians standing by in Houston and the surrounding areas such as Katy, Sugar Land, Missouri City, River Oaks, Woodlands, Spring, Humble, Bunker Hill, and the Galleria. Call us today at 877-309-7770, and one of our friendly operators would be glad to assist you in setting up an appointment.